everyone. I know this video is a little bit different, and if you've been following me in my crochet channel, I appreciate all of you guys coming over and watching the things that I create and make. As you can see in the background, I do have many items that I have made, and I do sell on Whatnot, so that's why you see all my items in the background. This is actually my living room filled with my stuff. And so I do live shows on Whatnot, and I do sell online. But I wanted to share with you these tools that I use, and it's called Empowerly 2.0. Empowerly 2.0 is multiple tools all in one platform to build your business empire.
Join me as I dive into the world of AI and challenge myself to predict how it will revolutionize our future in just 24 hours.
Well, hello everyone. Good morning. It is 3 a.m. in the morning, and I wanted to share tonight with this video. I want to talk about Empowerly. Empowerly is a digital platform, and whatever business that you are working on, we have all these apps to help your business. And Empowerly is growing. We have one fresh tool every month, so there's more than 30 plus tools here. There's a lot of improvement from my other videos that I have posted. Look at all the new things that are added to. Good morning. Welcome back to my Smart Tools Academy. I'm Laudiaann. I'm here to help you save money from multiple tool platforms. Okay, Empowerly, you need this if you're in business, inside, outside. Inside, I mean by online. Outside, I mean by offline. Okay, that's businesses outside your computer. Anyway, I save lots of money from multiple tools. I've canceled some of my subscription, and I was spending more than thousands of dollars until I found Empowerly. Get the all-in-one tool, grow your business here. This is fresh, everyone.